Hello, these are the instructions for mounting the boost gauge into the air vent. So we're going to mount these two pieces together and ensure that the two holes are aligning together. This is where your cables to connect the boost gauge are going to go through. The next step would be to fit this into the panel. You will need to make sure that the three tabs align together like shown in the video. And then you will need to push this into you hear a click sound. And ensure that this sits there securely. You will then need to push the boost gauge into the mount. Push it in and ensure it sits there securely like shown in the video. And then you can readjust the position. You will then need to turn the panel around and secure the boost gauge with a locking mechanism. Then you will put the plastic cover back into its place, push it in securely until you hear a click sound. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my boyfriend's channel. I really need that Birkin bag.